Want to create YouTube videos, but you feel shy about showing your face in a video? No worries. I have some good ideas for you. Hey guys, this is Raghav and I welcome you all on Digital Learning 44. So today in this video, I'm gonna share with you some easy and simple YouTube channel ideas which you can use to create YouTube videos without showing your face. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So the first one is book summary. In this fast-paced world, nobody has the time to spend hours in reading the books. So what you can do is, you can start sharing the summary of the books in an audio format and you can use the related videos and stock footages from the stock footages sites like Pixabay. And you can also add sound effects and some sort of light music in the background to make your videos interesting, for which you can use stock audio sites which are in free and paid versions. You can also use YouTube Music Library for the same. You can read a book by yourself and share your summary. But if you don't want to read the book, then you can easily find the book summary on the internet. But my suggestion is to read yourself so that you can explain it better. If you feel shy in showing your face in a YouTube video, then this one is a pretty simple idea to implement and to start with. So the next idea in the list is business case studies. There are lots of companies and brands around us that sell us various products and services. But ever wondered how these companies become big brands starting from the bottom? Nowadays, people are more interested in knowing the story behind these big brands. You can create voiceovers for telling the stories of these big companies by using interesting music and related images of the companies without showing your face. So it's a pretty good idea. It's very easy to create videos on this idea. Lots of information is already available on the internet. If you feel shy in showing your face in a YouTube video, then this one is a pretty simple idea to implement and to start with. The next one is motivational stories. This one is another very simple idea to implement and you do not have to do much work in this. Often in our lives, we get surrounded by negativity, need some motivational stories to relate with and learn lessons from it. There are thousands of motivational stories available from the history, present and in the coming future. You can narrate these stories with the help of motivational footages and videos along with some good motivational and energetic music. This idea is pretty easy to implement and will give good results. You can find these motivational stories on newspaper, books, internet. There are lots of stories available which you can directly read and explain and you can get the good views on it. The next one in the list is quotations explanation. Similar to the motivational stories, you can also make videos on motivational and inspirational quotations, written and said by some famous people from the history and present from all walks of life. You can use motivational, inspirational, spiritual, psychological, peaceful, philosophical quotations to explain with examples. For your reference, you can go through the latest series of the famous motivational speaker Mr. Sandeep Maheshwari, in which he picks up famous quotations from famous people and explain them with examples, like famous quotations from Bill Gates, famous quotations from Albert Einstein, Mahatma Gandhi, etc. Next idea in the list is animated stories. This one will make you do a little hard work, but if you are good at narrating stories, you can use your voice for various characters with different pitch and create visuals of the story through animations. For this, you just need to learn how to create animation videos, but if you can, this one is a great idea to go with as it gives lots of views and is famous among kids. You can narrate these stories in English, Hindi or any regional language you want to. You can use good animated audios, videos, clips, photos and also create graphics related to your story to make the video much engaging among kids. For this you need to learn how to create animation videos and an animation software. So since we are talking about kids, let's talk about another idea that revolves around kid viewers on YouTube. Kids education. Yes my friends, you can make videos on kids education as basic as starting from alphabets recognition to the names of animals, fruits, vegetables, etc. But do remember, for this you have to create videos in such a manner as you are explaining directly to a 4 to 5 year kid. And do remember these videos have to be much interactive, colorful and simple. This one is a pretty simple idea to implement and to start with. Next one in the list is GK updates. Since we are talking about education, there are students and adults that want and likes to be updated with latest knowledge and information. So for them, you can create a YouTube channel about GK update wherein You can create daily or weekly videos with current and general knowledge of about almost everything. The benefit of this topic is you can have unlimited information to create videos as GK gets updated every day. It will be best if you can create videos every day with latest knowledge. These videos comes up with great views. The last one in the list is for the ones who love to travel or have photography as a passion. The next one is free stock footages. So if you are a traveler or a photographer and do not like to show your face as a travel blogger or a photographer, then you can use this idea for creating stock footages and videos. For example, if you are traveling to some place and you see a beautiful view or sunset, you can record the same on camera or phone for like 5 to 10 minutes and then add background music to it to create a good visual videos. But do remember, you need to shoot these videos on higher quality, if possible 4K. You can also create hyperlapse, time-lapse, slow motion videos to create some good cinematic looks. So guys, these are the few ideas that you can use to create a videos without showing your face. I hope this video is a good help for you. Do like this video. Do let me know what other ideas you guys have in your mind which we can use to create a videos without showing our face. That's it guys from my side. I hope you like this video. Do subscribe to Digital Learning 44 to keep learning digitally, and I'll see you in the next one.